Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to find the system settings. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the time and the time zone set automatically. So first of all, let's turn off both of those options. And right now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change it. The same situation with the time, just swipe and it will be set. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. We can change the time zone also. Just tap on it and scroll through it to find the time zone you want to set and tap on it after finding. It will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. You can manage also the time format. Currently we've got the 24-hour one. If you want to use 12-hour, just turn off this option. If you want, you can also use the dual clock, which simply means that you will have two different clocks. The first one will show you the time from the place you're currently in, and the second from the place of your choice. Up to you if you want to use it. If you want to, you can always go back to the previous options just by tapping on those switches here. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.